Canadian Museum of Nature. This imposing baronial building houses one of the world's best natural history collections, which the vast museum brings to life with modern and interactive exhibits. There's an impressive collection of fossils, the full skeleton of a blue whale and an excellent stock of dinosaur skeletons and models. Everyone loves the realistic mammal and bird dioramas depicting Canadian wildlife. The taxidermic creatures are so lifelike, you'll be glad they're behind a sheet of glass. General admission is free between 5 p.m. and 8 p.m. on Thursdays.